Right, so this is a 2015 Honda HRV, and it's developed this fault, this EP fault. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, check EP system. So that's your electric parking brake, and also sometimes it goes into limp mode as well. So it may be with limp mode or without limp mode, where you can't drive at any speed really. It goes. It kills your power, kills your revs anyway. So when you read this electric parking brake issue, you get this code. Alright, so I'm going to read the codes. Now the engine is running at the moment. Okay, so you see that one, I don't know if you can see it, it's saying, okay, it's saying one code found. So I'll just say okay to that for the moment, and I'm just going to read the code, stored codes. Okay, so it's given out about the mass airflow sensor. So actually what I found is that there was nothing wrong with the mass airflow sensor. I'll show you exactly what was wrong with it. Right, so this is your mass airflow sensor, and I had it out. I took it out, so I needed 2 screws that pop it out. There doesn't seem to be anything wrong with it, but actually what I discovered is 2 cracks in that pipe there. So I've sealed them in there, but I've also put a bit of tape just in case the seal breaks. So, but this is the part you're going to have to replace to solve that problem. So I'll reset that now, and I'll take it for a spin and see if it comes back up. It comes up every 2 or 3 minutes now at this stage. So 2 big cracks on this pipe. And it's probably due to servicing the air filter. Anyway, let's take it for a spin. Alright, so I took the car for about 40 minutes there, drive, and no alarm up, no EP problem. So you would first think that it's your brakes, but it's actually nothing to do with your brakes. It's obviously to do with the engine knocking out and the stop start or whatever, that it takes a reading off that sensor. So yeah, no issues with it. So yeah, it's the issue is that pipe is very rigid. So just be very careful when you're doing an air filter on one of these, that you don't crack it. This has obviously been serviced too many times and the pipe just cracked. So yeah, so that was just a quick video for anyone who's looking for a solution for this problem.